Russian Su-27 jet fighter apparently lost power during high-speed manoeuvres at the air show in the western Ukraine near the Polish border. The aircraft exploded on impact into the crowded perimeter of the main runway. Local reporters say airshow officials as well as spectators are among the dead. The impact left wreckage scattered over a wide area, with shocked spectators trying to treat the injured and carry away the dead. Airport officials say the two pilots ejected from the jet moments before the crash. An official inquiry has been launched into the cause of the disaster. The Su-27 is known as the Flanker and is the Russian Air Force's most sophisticated fighter. It has inbuilt fly-by-wire capabilities designed to prevent the loss of control during high-speed diving manoeuvres.